good evening po sa ating lahat and welcome to our for the one of the training of We Rise. And let me introduce to myself, guys. My name is Mark. I'm the founder of We Rise, and I'm also a business owner, and I'm the vice president of Chantal Direct Sales. So now, guys, we're here. No, we are ano na ba tayo? 133 participants inside the Zoom, and I'm very thankful, guys, for accepting our invitation to attend this training because somehow this is really a good training for us, no? So one of the training, one of the sa title pa lang, guys, how to unlock six-figure digits per month. Anyone here want to have or want to earn six digits per month? Can you type six digits, guys, on the chat section so they can know? Wow, sobrang dami. Yes. So let's claim that there's no that we also has a chance to have this kind of opportunity na naka-earn ng digits figure. And by that, that's why we're here to attend this training because one of our speaker tonight will share the strategy and the tips kung paano magkaroon ng ganitong income using Facebook ads. Are you all excited? Can you type excited if you are all excited? Yes, we are all excited. But before that, can you chat on the chat button if tagasan kayo? No? Para alam ko lang kung tagasan po tayo. They're from Cavite, Cebu, Las Piñas, Manila, Lucena City, Rizal, Bacoor, Bulacan. Kaya sobrang dami natin, no? Sobrang dami all over the Philippines. Gustong matuto, mag-Facebook ads, or alam na nila mag-Facebook ads per day, level up their learnings or their skills using Facebook ads. Now, gusto niyo, gusto niyo ba, guys, i-introduce ko yung speaker natin? Can you type yes? Okay, type yes, guys, if you want to know more about our speaker, no? Yes. So, as an introduction for our speaker, guys, no, sobrang naka-inspire itong speaker natin tonight. Why? Ask me why. Ask me why. Because for me, no, grabe yung journey niya, no? She is a former OFW, no? From sa UAE, no? And grabe yung story niya because isa sa mga malungkot na sad story about OFW is mawalay sa family nila. Okay? And then na merong maiwan sa Pilipinas, no? Our coach, no, which is our head coach, no, is naiwan niya yung anak niya kahit ano lang, so baby pa, no, like 2 years old. Just imagine that, 2 years old. Yes, you heard it right, 2 years old. Wala siyang choice, bumalik doon sa trabaho niya kasi baka mawalan siya ng trabaho. Okay? The worst na nangyari sa kanya is pagbalik niya sa Pilipinas, hindi na siya kilala ng anak niya. That's the sad story that I heard, no, after hearing that story. And then, bumalik siya doon sa UAE, no? Sobrang sakit nun, di ba? Kahit ako, ang sakit nun pag ganun yung nangyari sa kanya. That's why she think of other opportunity na kahit umuwi siya sa Pilipinas, may earning siya. No? Kasi hindi siya makakauwi kasi sobrang nasasayangan siya sa sweldo niya. Yes. Sobrang nasasayangan siya sweldo niya. But he saw potential with the Facebook marketing or digital marketing, no? Using Facebook ads. So nag-explore siya, kahit may trabaho siya, nag-aral siya, guys. Nag-subscribe siya ng mga training, mga sa mga training academy, nag-join siya, no? And by that, na fully decide na siya to go back here in the Philippines and focus on doing Facebook ads, to master Facebook ads. And right now, guys, nakaka-proud. Nakaka-proud, guys, kasi nag-handle na siya ng mga clients niya, mga businesses niya, mga e-com businesses niya that nag-earn ng 6 to 8 digits per month. Yes. Sobrang laki yung tulong niya sa mga businesses ng mga nai-handle niya, no? And grabe, bale yung decision niya can you comment down below, guys, if her decision is right or wrong? Yes, some of us will say right now because guys, this is the thing, no? Kasi good decision yung pagbalik niya sa Pilipinas kasi she earned triple sa salary niya sa UAE. Yes. Dahil sa Facebook ads. No? And are you all excited to hear from this person? Can you type, I'm ready? If you are now ready, guys. Can you type, I'm ready, for us to uplift our speaker for tonight? Yes, sobrang dami. Yes na yes. All right. Without further ado, let me introduce to you the head coach of We Rise, Miss May Hapitan. Miss May, hello?
Hello, sir.
All right. Sobrang
Thank you
dami
so
namin
much.
excited, Ma'am May, to hear your story, your journey, no? And me also, after hearing your journey, nakaka-proud talaga. Nakaka-proud makinig sa mga pinagdaanan mo, and then you are now very successful on this industry. And right now, we're here, 144 participants. Gusto din na matuto na galing from you. Anong mga tips and strategy mo? Miss May, are you ready?
Ready na, sir.
All right, so here we go.
Yes.
Let's welcome Miss Coach May from We Rise.
Thank you, sir. Yan. Share ko lang po yung screen ko. So, good evening, everyone. Ayan. Okay na po ba yung screen ko, sir?
Yes, Ma'am May, Coach May.
Yes po. Okay. For this event po, I will be your trainer and mentor this evening. So, sobrang nakaka-proud, sir, Sir Mark, yung introduction nyo regarding sa life story ko behind that po. So, but before we start and before I will introduce again myself, gusto ko rin mag-share ng additional info pa about dun sa naging journey ko bilang Facebook strategist. So, but before that, may question ako dito ngayon. So, pwede ko po bang malaman kung ano yung profession ng mga nandito? Yan. Yes. Ano po yung ating profession? Pwede po bang paki-type sa ating chat box kung ano yung mga profession natin? So, baka kasi kagaya ko din po kayo na isang OFW din nag-decide na mag-for good na dito sa Philippines. And meron po bang OFW dito? Wow. So, si Sir Delson is an OFW. Okay po. Ayan. So, ayan. So, ang dami, no? Meron ditong retired employee, may mga real estate, ayan, real estate agent. Then, meron din po dito mga driver. Okay, so driver, merong mga businesswoman, startup founder. Ayan. Okay, so, okay. Guys, thank you so much po dun sa mga nagsabi ng kung ano yung mga profession natin. Ano po? So, I'm sure for this evening, mamomotivate na kayo na mag-shift. Baka mag-shift na kayo. Baka umuwi na kayo bilang OFW, no? Umuwi na kayo dito sa Pilipinas, then mag for good. Yan. So, I have another question po. Pwede pong pakisagot din. Pa-type lang po sa chat box po natin. So, why are you here in the training and what is your goal po? Yan, pwede pong pakitype dito sa ating chat box. Yan. So, ayan, advancement to learn. So, professional development to learn. Ayan. Yes po. To learn more about e-com. To learn more pa po. Reach my goal. Yes. To learn how to earn the 6 digits income. To gain knowledge and apply it. Okay. To learn more and personal development. Okay. So, ayan. Para mag-resign na soon. Sir Christian, ayan. Napaka-generous mo. Pag itong FB ads, inutukan mo talagang ano, magre-resign ka na talaga. Yan. Make a step to run ads, more about ads. So, malaman yung fundamental about ads. Okay, guys. So, for this evening po, for sure, guys, talaga, matututo kayo. And what do you think, guys? Baka later on, mag-focus na rin kayo sa, sa Facebook advertising. Okay po. So, ayan. So, ang dami po, ano. Yung mga goal natin na yan, guys, is napakahalaga ng word na goal. Yan.